In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy a website from Flippa. If you're looking to invest in an online business, Flippa is one of the biggest marketplaces for buying and selling websites, domains, and online businesses. First, open your web browser and go to the Flippa website. Log into your account or create one if you're new. Once you're logged in, go to the Browse menu and select Websites. This is where you'll see all the websites currently for sale. Take your time scrolling through the listings and choose one that fits your goals. When you find something interesting, click View Listing. Here you can see details like traffic, earnings, and the seller's description. If you want deeper insights, you can also use Flippa's tools to view analytics and financial data, which helps you decide whether the website is a good investment. Once you're ready, click Make Offer. This starts the negotiation process with the seller. If your offer is accepted, Flippa helps manage the transfer so the website and domain are safely moved to your hosting account. After that, update your payment and account details and the website is officially yours. And that's how you buy a website on Flippa. Just remember to research carefully and only invest in websites you understand. Thanks for watching and good luck with your online business journey.